Alright guys, today's kind of gonna be a short little video thingy. Now, I've got some stuff here today. We're gonna be doing something different. Now I have some BB bullets right here. There. That, yeah. And I've got an Airsoft pistol. Now what I'm going to be doing is this. Right now I have no BB bullets in there. But I'm going to be putting BB bullets in there, and I'm going to be shooting it. I'm going to be shooting it, and I'm going to put it in slow motion. So, let's get right into the video. So yeah, be right back. Alright, I'm back. That probably took like about 5 seconds now. Yeah, that was slow motion. I'm not done yet. So, I'm going to reload it once more, because my hands are full. Alright, I had to stop the video because, yeah, my hands are full. I only have one hand, left hand. Now it's right hand. So, let's do that again. This time, I'm gonna never mind, I'm just gonna that. Okay. And yeah. I found both my bullets right here. One right there. And right here. So yeah, that is it for the video. I hope you liked the slow motion. If you didn't, send me, or like say in the comment section below what I can do better. Lefty goosey, righty tighty. Lefty goosey, righty tighty. Lefty goosey, righty tighty works. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.